Welcome to La Reinvial Asset Management's quarterly update on Latin American Equity Fund regarding the second quarters of 2026. What happened on 2026? There were two main drivers. One was a geopolitical one that came from the war, more top-down, more macro, and the other one was political within Latam. Regarding the former, the peak of oil prices had initially a positive effect on Latin American assets that are related to oil. But then you have the uptick and an increase on the perception of inflation, especially for 2026. So you had over 100 basis points, for example, expectation of inflation for Brazil. The problem of this was that one of the main drivers of return for 2026 as equity for Brazil was specifically the monetary policy cycle. So that's why you saw, for example, the S&P performing 15%, while Latam slightly underperforming. For this aspect, it has been more complicated for Brazil, but we believe with lowering prices of oil, this will start to become less of a headwind for Brazil. And on the other part, that's very important, is the political aspect, more idiosyncratic. So you had, on the negative side, you had the news flow of Flavio Bolsonaro being related to Volcaro. That's the owner of Banco Master. So this generated a lot of political news that we will see the next quarters how it develops before the election in October. And on the positive side, the market now released the political uncertainty for the elections both for Peru and for Colombia. In the case of Peru, Keiko Fujimori is going to be the president, and in the case of Colombia, De la Espriella is going to be the president. So now on, we have a higher cohesion in terms of political aspect within the region, which we believe will drive a significant aspect for second half of 2026. This has been a brief overview of Latin American Equity Fund update for the past quarter. For more information of the fund or all of La Reinvial Asset Management takeout strategies, please go to our website, lvamfunds.com.